There's a shortage, it's a shortage of quality music out here, honestly.
Yeah, it's no shortage on music at all, but it's a shortage on that quality.
It's a shortage on that quality
so,
music.
What I'm saying? Niggas gotta stand out.
Yeah.
Every week on Spotify, it's 30,000 new songs uploaded on Spotify, everywhere. 30,000.
That's facts?
Facts. And that was some months ago. It's had to go up by now. That was like 2-3 months ago. So 30,000. So it's like, even when we drop our shit, we dropping with 30,000 other songs. You know what I'm saying? So
yeah, that's wild.
It's just about providing people with that quality.
Yeah.
Because it's infinite shit to listen to, but what's really gonna stick, what's gonna stand out, what's gonna be there, what's gonna stay there.
When I first started making beats, I had to make a decision to tell myself, like, this is really gonna work. We can't try to halfway be a high school kid and do this, play no sports or go out to these parties or be outside. This is your one thing you're gonna do. It's gonna have to be the only thing we do all the time.
One thing that excites me about what you're doing and a lot of more than just producers but tastemakers of today and what I'm saying of this generation is like, I saw a clip the other day of you at a show. And I think I'm not sure if that's how you started the show or if that was like a intermission or something, but it was basically that it was the voice. If Young Metro don't trust you, we're gonna shoot you. And then the crowd just was in pandemonium. And I've seen you on many occasions on tour with Travis and Thug. You did a tour with Chance the Rapper.
Yeah,
am I correct? Like you out here, you know what I'm saying? It's not like a situation where you're sitting in the studio all the time making beats. Like you're out here on the road performing and really turning up, man. And I salute you for that. What's that journey been like?
That. Man, it's been a blessing. I remember it started real small from like the first show I ever did. I think what was that? It was New York. It was a small party in New York in Tribeca, like. I think it was last summer, the summer before this summer, and just to see where, like, in a year to where it's gone, it's a blessing. It's incredible. So really, I'm just learning on, because producing is primarily what I do,
right?
And my real passion. Like I love DJing too, because you can connect with people in the same way. But
did you have that in you the same way you do as a producer? Like, did you see yourself in front of crowds and thousands of people, in various rooms? Did you know that? Did you see that vision too, or was that something that just came along?
Not really. It just really came along because people always ask me stuff like that, even about producing. I'd be like, yeah, I saw all this producing stuff, but I can't say I saw that because even like from how my shows used to be at first, I used to never even talk on the mic. I never even, you know what I'm saying, real nervous, stuff like that, like very nervous. Just now it's just like second, like natural, like second nature. So it's been a journey. I just like to try to balance it all so I could stay in the studio, which is the main priority.
There's a whole lot of other producers and a lot of stuff with heavy, like, Dre, Pharrell, like that. 3 6 Mafia, like their beats, like it wasn't nothing else I ever heard sounding like that. Definitely influenced me a whole lot. I just feel like, because I got 4 younger brothers and sisters, and then I be at my shows, I see how young a lot of these kids are, like they're kids. If you in that spotlight and the kids looking at you, then it's like, okay, you be a tastemaker to do this or do that. As Metro Boomin, you could make it cool to do drugs or do this, or you could be like, just having a positive time, fun time, Because that's really what it's about. Changing their moods, making them feel better, making them forget their problems. Music's the medicine, so it's everything positive. And you become legendary by making your own way, not trying to be nobody else, ride nobody else's wave, watch nobody else and what they're doing. You be a legend just by, looking straight ahead. Never ever feel restricted when it comes to the creative process because, I never got here thinking that way or acting that way, you know what I'm saying? And when it comes to being creative or anything, it's nobody to answer to, you know what I'm saying? So it's really just make your own moves. So I never try to restrict the creativity because I feel like it's working backwards, you know what I'm saying? And especially in a time right now where everybody wants to like do what's this or what's hot or what's going on, if you're not gonna push that creativity, then you're just gonna be stuck. Yeah, man, definitely. I always say the same thing, man. Stay down. Whatever your faith is, keep that strong. You know what I'm saying? I stay prayed up. I stay all that, stay focused. Man, put the work first. Put the work first. Work all the time. Man, I don't care, you wanna go out, you wanna do this, man, put the work first and, you know, everything else to follow up. Man, whatever you wanna do in life, man, you know, just stay down, pray on that, focus on that, man, and whatever you trying to do, make sure that every single day of your life, every single day, you do something working towards that every day. Like no day off at all. You know, it can't be a sometime thing. Like you gotta really devote everything. And I just want people to know how important that is, you know. Over talent, all that is hard work. That's over everything, period. So if you just stay down and go at whatever you're trying to do every day, man, don't worry about nobody else. Don't worry about how somebody can help you or how you want somebody to help you or I need a favor from somebody or a beat or a feature. No, none of that shit. Just stay down and just do your thing and do your own waves, because when it works out, if you work at it every day, and it will probably end up working out, it's just gonna be the best way. You know what I'm saying? I look at so many like just bad decisions I could have made that would have like changed my whole everything. Easy decisions, but you know, just staying down and just doing my own thing. Just, you know, it worked out. You know, sometimes it may feel like you just wanna give in and all that shit, but man, you just gotta stay down, do your thing. There's really no rules to music, no right or wrong or this way or that way. Like music is universal. So if I'm making a beat or mixing a track, I just have to go strictly off my feelings. Like, you know, instantly when you hear something, it's just like, oh yeah, like that's good. That's the feeling I try to give back, the feeling that starts in here, and then it's like, okay, let's get this out. I enjoy people enjoying my music. That's what I strive for.